Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix microphone not working in Roblox issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, if that issue is happening, then first thing you can do is simply gonna go back and log out of your Roblox and log back in, or remove your app and again reinstall and log back into it, and that should help your problem. Sometimes it just happens because of the lagging issues. Next up is simply check your connection, including the input connection of your particular microphone. Now when you're playing a game right over here, you have to make sure once you are playing this game there, right, you simply have to make sure that you have your microphone is simply turned on. If it shows red line on top of it, it's turned off, so make sure it's turned on. And once you have put the input, make sure to check that, and that should help you out. If that's what you do, then your microphone or working issue will be solved, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.